Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a one ingredient no glue slime made out of soap. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Let's get right into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a no glue slime out of one ingredient, which is soap. So this is soap slime. It's one of my favorite no glue slime recipes. I love it so much, and I'm so excited to show you guys it today. So let's get into the ingredients, how to make this no glue slime recipe. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of soap. I'm using this body wash, a bowler plate to make your slime in, and last but not least is a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get out my bowler plate. I'm going to get adding in my body wash. I'm going to add around, I kind of want to make a little bit more than usual today. So that looks like just enough. And the only recipe, like, oh my god, I cannot speak today. I messed up with my intro. Now I'm messing up now. But the only step for this no glue slime recipe is to mix it up. You want to mix it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes until it gets super bubbly. This soap is already super thick, so I don't need that much mixing. That looks like just enough mixing. And here is the soap now. As you can see when I touch it, it's not that sticky, which is good. But I want to turn it into like a moldable, like a slime. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take a look at it, mix it up, and see if it needs a more mixing. So I'll see you guys in about a second when the recipe is all done. But remember, 3 hours in the refrigerator for this no glue slime. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. 3 hours later, here is the slime. I was already checking it out while I took it out of the fridge, and look at the color on it. It turned out to be this really pretty blue color, like the one in the packaging. Look how pretty. I'm so happy with how this recipe turned out today. Wow, it's like super thick today, like more than usual. But this is how you make no glue soap slime. This recipe is so easy to make, and that's why it was a super quick video to film for you guys. But I'm so happy with how it turned out. I just love the blue color on it. I love how stretchy it is, and I love the texture. I mean, just look at this. This recipe was so amazing though. I really hope you guys like this video. This video is a super quick and easy one, as I said before. But this is how you make a no glue soap slime. It's super easy to make, only needs one ingredient. If it worked for you guys, please put it in the comments down below if it worked. If the comments are off, go check out my community page. That's where I post every week whenever I post a new YouTube video, and you can comment over there for hashtag notification squad and more. But I love you guys so much. Remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. My TikTok, my Instagram, what else? My Roblox, even my Fortnite is all down there. So go check it out. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys. I love you so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye guys.